Hello and welcome to the Document Management Secrets podcast. So often we are reached out to by our customers, you, and with great questions. And the question that has always weighed out on my mind is how do I get that information out to everyone so that everybody is educated? And that was the question, and this video podcast is going to be the answer. So, again, my name is Kevin Anderson, and I want to welcome you to the Document Management Secrets podcast. So, today, what we're going to be doing is one of the big questions that I had received over time is actually how do I see documents that are going to be side by side? Maybe I need to compare different documents, and I want to make sure that they're the same, that nobody has changed them. And one way that you can actually do that is built right into FileCenter. So if you actually take a PDF document, so what we're seeing here on our screen, I can come in and grab any PDF and I can right click and click to open in FileCenter Edit tab. And then if I come right back up to the Manage window and select that option, I can come right back down to the next document that I want to compare it to and open that one into the FileCenter Edit tab as well. Now, what you're going to see on your screen once you've entered into this is tabs for each of the PDF documents that you've opened up. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on each one of those. You can see those that are open, and then so that you can see them side by side, what you're going to do is you're just going to come up where it says Window right here, and then click on Window and then say Active Document to New Vertical Tab Group. And once that happens, what you're going to see is both of your images of your PDF are going to show up side by side. Now you'll also see that on this screen that you'll have the thumbnails that are going to be available for you. And so you can come in and scroll through. If this really was supposed to be the same document, you'd clearly find that this document has been altered, right? And so this will hopefully help you to start going through and comparing and making sure that everything is all set. But on top of that, you'll have the full capabilities of our PDF editor built right into this window as well, so that if you wanted to make some kind of change or markup or anything like that on any of those documents, all you have to do is click on which one you want. You could put a little comment tab there, but if you wanted to do it on the document on the right, you could just click over there and then just make sure that you're coming up, clicking on your little comment there, and now you've got them in both locations. Okay, so that's one thing. Now, another option that you have, just that I wanted to throw out to you, is that if you wanted to take this document and just look at it on maybe a bigger screen so that you can see it a lot bigger, then all you have to do is come out. You can just take that tab and just drag it and just release. And just like that, that window is now open and it is on its own. It's outside of the FileCenter software so that you can go ahead and go through, but it does have all of our PDF editing capabilities still in here. And when you click on save, it just saves it right back to FileCenter. And so you can just come in, close the window, you'll be prompted to save that. I'm going to go ahead and say no in this case. But then at that point, you're all done. And now you've got the other document that you might have in the PDF window. So hopefully that helps you out. Again, this is the Document Management Secrets podcast. If you have any requests of things that you would want to learn, just go ahead and send it to training@filecenterdms.com. We'll be sure to include those in our list of different trainings that you guys would like to hear about.